Lovely transitional with beautiful Brazilian walnut flooring, crown molding, ceramic tile, beautifully landscaped, low maintenance vinyl siding, front porch and much more. 1-year buyer's home warranty. Entry foyer featuring ceramic tile welcomes you to this lovely home. Note the picture framing. Beautiful Brazilian hardwood flooring accent the formal dining room with chair rail and picture framing. The formal living room features a lighted ceiling fan, Brazilian walnut hardwood and double windows providing a light and airy ambience. The family room focal point is a gas fireplace and features crown molding, wainscoting and Brazilian walnut hardwood flooring. The French door leads to great rear decking. Wonderful family room to spend time with family and friends. The large dine-in kitchen features a walkout bay window, pantry, lots of cabinet space and ceramic tile floor and ceramic backsplash. The powder room features ceramic tile floor, wainscoting and pedestal sink. Master bedroom with lighted ceiling fan, crown molding and new carpet. Recently renovated master bath with ceramic tile floor, glass shower and new vanity. Master bath jetted tub with ceramic surround. The upstairs landing features Brazilian walnut hardwood. The front corner bedroom, used as an office, with ample windows for an airy, open feeling. Back corner bedroom with double door closet. Hall bath with ceramic tile floor. Front porch, perfect for relaxing. Come on in for a visit. The rear deck is great for enjoying the well-landscaped backyard. Relax away the evenings on the lower deck. Rear view, upper and lower decks, as well as a grilling patio and flowering landscaping. Flowering landscaping. Thanks for visiting. Call today for an appointment and make this your family's new home.